Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Have you ever encountered an issue with using the loop carousel in Elementor, like trying to change the number of posts that should be displayed? You're in the right video. Today I'll guide you on troubleshooting common issues encountered in Elementor Pro, specifically focusing on the loop carousel feature. In this tutorial, we'll go into understanding of the loop carousel, addressing it directly, and providing effective solutions to ensure your carousel displays seamlessly. Let's dive right in. So, navigate to your WordPress dashboard admin, go to Pages, then click the Edit with Elementor on the page that you want to customize. In your WordPress editor, add a new container and select a structure where your loop carousel takes place. Search for the loop carousel and drag and drop the element. Click on the Create a Template button and click the Save. After that, drag and drop a widget to your loop carousel. For example, featured image, post title, and post info. Customize each widget to your desired one.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
After that, click Save and back. You can now customize your loop carousel. Go to Layout and change the number of slides for the pagination. Then Slides on Display and Slides on Scroll. Under Query, there are Include and Exclude. You can edit that too. Then you can change the pagination according to your desire. Once you're satisfied with the layout and positioning of the loop carousel, save your changes and publish the page. Preview the page to see how the loop carousel works.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.